Graphing a linear equation in standard form, ax plus by equals c. Standard form occurs when the x and y term are on the left-hand side of the equal sign, and the constant is over on the right. Standard form is frequently not taught in schools, but it is very beneficial, and so I do use this technique in our class, and also the textbook uses it a great deal. So a linear equation such as 2x minus 3y equals 6 is in standard form. The author of our textbook likes to refer to this as general form. The general form is usually referred to as something else. For this equation, there are many ordered pairs, such as 1.5 and -1, that satisfy the equation 2x minus 3y equals 6. Graphing equations in standard form is approached by finding the x and y intercepts. An x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis. So if we take a look at the example down below, we can see that the line crosses the x-axis at 3, 0. That's the x-intercept. Similarly, the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Now, for the x-intercept and the y-intercept, there are values of 0 in the ordered pairs. In the x-intercept, the y value is 0 since it's right on the x-axis. And for the y-intercept, the x value is 0 since it's right on the y-axis. Let's take a look at our example now and how I came up with our graph. So we're going to graph 2x minus 3y equals 6. First, I'll begin by finding the x-intercept, and I do this by letting y equal 0, and then I solve for x. So I substitute 0 into the equation where y is, and what happens is that y term becomes 0 and is no longer needed because 3 times 0 has a value of 0, which leaves us with 2x equals 6. So frequently when I'm solving and finding the x-intercept, I'll jump right here to this 2x equals 6 by dropping that y term. If I solve it, I get x equals 3, and so I know the x-intercept is at 3, 0 as an ordered pair. Okay, so the x-intercept has a y value of 0, which allows us to easily solve for x. The second thing is to find the y-intercept. Now this time the x value is 0. So put 0 in for x. I'm left with negative 3y equals 6. I solve for y and get -2. The y-intercept is at 0, -2. I plot those 2 points. So I'm going to plot the ordered pair 3, 0, and the ordered pair 0, -2, draw a line through it, and I'm done with my graph.